So for the calf, let's say they had a lateral ankle sprain on the outside there. So we'll measure out and cut our little piece. So then you'll just start by tearing each little leg separately off, because you're going to use them, you're going to work with them separately. So specifically for the calf or the ankle, we'll just go to the back of the knee. So take your base point, just keep using the backing paper, and then just apply that to the back of the knee like that. Again, just rub the edges, and then you start with one piece at a time. So just keep touching onto the backing paper, and then we'll just layer it. So obviously we won't be strapping. Layer it over the structure that we want to help with drainage. So you can just layer it. Doesn't matter how you can overlap. If you have more pieces, it doesn't matter how many you have. Depends again on how much swelling there is. We'll just layer the structures. So you just layer them like that. So this will then help to facilitate fluid to the lymph node. Sometimes if there's a bit of a contraindication, if you feel swelling and pain in the back of the knee, just ask them to take it off, because now it's overloaded the system there, so it can just annoy that area. Or if they feel any burning or tingling sensation underneath the strapping, ask them to take it off immediately. This is a latex-free strapping, but some people just have sensitive skin, so they can be a bit annoyed. If they're annoyed, just sometimes check if you haven't applied too much attention to the strapping, because that can also sometimes cause skin irritation if there's too much tension or too much strain onto the joint. So just be careful when applying it. This one, there should be no tension when applying it. But with any of the other strapping techniques with using Leukotape K, there shouldn't be any irritants around the skin.